this is Z-Man. We are fixing a cartridge for my Whirlpool fridge. So I got my things ready. So I got Mr. Bottle. Hi. And next up, we're gonna have a big thing, which I don't know what this is called. A jug. And then we're gonna be changing a filter. If your light is yellow, please buy this stuff, because if it's red, you need to change it. Because yellow means this, please buy it. So you need to do it on the bottom, right here. And my fridge is now opening. And now this one's opening. Magic. And then I'm gonna pull this out. I got something. I can see it. I can see it. I can see it. Yes. Okay, this looks stinky. Well, not stinky, but it looks kind of stinky. So now I'm gonna turn my knobby. Ew. Now I'm gonna pull this thing out. Ooh. Water in here. I'm gonna put this in here. There. I'm gonna take this guy, open it up, put it in, carefully put it in. You carefully put it in. Okay, now take this off, I think. And then we put it in like this. Maybe. Like. Then we slide it in. Put it like this. Put it in. How do you put this thing in? Just put it in. Trying to. It's not going in. It's going in now. Now can I push it in? So now I'm just going to try to crank it up. Wait, let me first put this on. Open, please, Mr. Fritz. I said open, Mr. Fritz. My fridge is not opening. You put it in like this, I think, and then, ooh. Okay, now do it left. I put it left. So now I'm just gonna close my fridge. Is now being closed. Done. Ooh, it's water. What do I do with this? So I'm getting more water in here. I think I'm supposed to get all this water. Filling up this baby. Filling up this baby. I'm gonna go to Disney, the soda video I said. The Florida Adventures. I'm gonna be in Disney, I think, sometime. Fill this guy 5 times and then you're all set.